If you started learning the piano, you're probably wondering, how can you start playing and grooving songs fast? Well, the best way to do that is by learning to play the most used rhythm pattern that we hear every single day on the radio. So today I'm going to give you 5 beautiful and easy rhythm patterns at the piano so you can play your favorite songs in no time. I'm going to show you the foundations of the patterns and how you can apply it to a real chord progression of 4 easy chords. To show you these patterns, I'm going to be using the famous 1-6-4-5 chord progression. If you want to have more information about this chord progression, check out this lesson up there, but note that this can be applied to any chord progression and any key. Alright, so this chord progression is going to be in C major, and that gives us 4 chords that we need to learn first. So we're going to have C major, A minor, F major, and G major. So C major has C, E, and G. A minor has A, C, and E. And F major has F, A, and C. And G major, G, B, and D. So the first thing you want to be doing is to learn these chords in root position just like this. So C, A minor, F, and G, just like that. Now, once you know these, we can also learn to play them with the chord inversion to make it sound more pro. So basically, the chord inversion is just another order of the notes you're playing with the root position. But it gives you the chord that is the closest to what you're actually playing right now. So from the C to A minor, instead of moving the whole hand, we can only move the pinky over here. Just like that. So this is a little bit more advanced. If you're just starting, go for only the root note chords here, just like that, root position. But if you can, try adding the chord inversion as soon as possible. So A minor, and then going to the F major, we're just moving E to F, like this. And G, we're gonna move each note 1 note higher to get here. All right, let's recap. C major, A minor, F, and G. And these are the chord inversion I'm going to be using for the patterns. Alright, so let's dive in. So the first groove is the rock pattern, and it sounds like this. Alright, so I'm playing quarter note on my right hand and 8 notes on my left hand. Let's start with the right. So for the right hand, I'm gonna have all 4 chords, but just playing 8 notes. So it's 4 times each chord. So we have C, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to C. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And G. 2, 3, 4, back to 1. Amazing. Now, the left hand. This is where we're going to be playing 8 notes. So we need double the note on the left hand that we're playing on the right hand. So let me show you. So we're going to be playing octaves here of C. So we're going to have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and moving to A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and moving to F, 2 and 3 and 4 and moving to G, just like that. Now, if you're having a hard time playing the octaves on the left hand, no worries, you can only play just 1 note and it's gonna work. So it will go like this with 1 note, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and G. Just like that. So you can either play here or a little bit higher. Alright, now both hands. So basically, every time we're playing 1 chord on the right, we need to play 2 notes on the left. Let me show you. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G. All right, one more time. Now moving on to the second groove, and this one I call it the Dream On. Alright, so this one uses broken chord, and basically we're taking the triad chord on the right hand, and we have to break the chord in two. So we're gonna have E and G on the top, going to C like this. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all of that is 8 notes. So we have 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and going to A minor, so same chord as earlier, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and moving only to F and to G, so moving higher here and back to C. The left hand is gonna go pretty simple, only whole notes here with the root notes. So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, A, F, and G. This next groove is called the pop rock, and it sounds like this. Amazing! So the right hand is gonna go with quarter note just like in groove number 1, and the left hand is gonna do the whole magic here. So let's start with the right hand. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F major, 2, 3, 4, and G. Back to C. Now, the left hand has the whole rhythmic idea here, so we're gonna go with dotted quarter note, and 8 notes, and a half note. So it sounds like 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we have a note to play in between 2 of the beats. 1, 2, and 3, 4, A. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, G. 2 and 3, 4, just like that. All right, with the right hand, we're basically playing 2 quarter notes, playing a note in between of the quarter notes and back together. So let me show you. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 1, 2, and 3, 4 to A minor. There you go. All right, for groove number 4, it's called the Coldplay. So this one is going to be using arpeggios on the right hand because we're going to be playing each note separate. So let's go back to the triad chord, and we're going to have top, middle, and bottom. And we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we have to stop here because we only have 4 beats of quarter note in each measure that we're playing right now. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and moving to A, 2 and 3 and 4 and to F, and 3 and 4 and to G. Just like that. The left hand is gonna go with a whole note, super simple. For the last groove, we're gonna be using a 6/8, and this one is gonna be called the Hallelujah. This is so pretty. So we're gonna be playing 8 notes, but in 6/8 on the right hand, and this is what's gonna give us this feel of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna be using the triad chord right here, and we're going from bottom to top from bottom. And it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To F. So 1, 2, 3. And to G. Just like that. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add the left hand. We're just gonna hold the notes on the bottom here. Amazing, so this is your turn to have fun with this groove, and if you'd like to add some beautiful arpeggios on the left hand, you're gonna need this next video.